Today we're dedicating 5 minutes to grounding our body, improving flexibility, and energizing key muscles for the day ahead. This routine is low impact and perfect for mornings, post-workout, or whenever you need a quick reset. No equipment is needed, just find a comfortable mat or a soft surface. We'll start low on the mat, gradually working through dynamic and static stretches. Each movement is about 1 minute, helping you wake up, stretch out, and feel amazing. Let's hit the mat. Start on your mat in child's pose, knees wide, big toes touching, and hips sinking back towards your heels. Stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply, allowing your lower back to soften with each exhale. Now flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press through your palms and lift your chest high. Feel the stretch across your chest and spine. Glide back into child's pose, letting the movement flow naturally. Repeat for 1 minute, breathing deeply with each transition. Find a steady rhythm, letting your body relax into each stretch. One last glide forward into cobra before moving to all fours. Come onto all fours with your wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a long straight line. Inhale as you reach. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath you. One last extension here, feeling your core engage before we switch sides. Now switch sides. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back. Breathe deeply, keeping your movements controlled. This stretch improves balance and strengthens your core and back. Finish with one last reach before we transition. Stay on all fours and lift your right knee out to the side. Keeping it bent, lower back down slowly, keeping your core engaged to stabilize your movement. Keep it steady. Focus on engaging your glutes with each lift. Switch to the left side now. Lift your left knee out to the side and lower it with control. This move strengthens your hips and glutes while improving mobility. One more lift here before we move into our next stretch. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, letting your left knee rest on the mat. Place your left hand on the ground and twist your torso, reaching your right arm up toward the sky. Feel the stretch through your hips and spine. Switch sides now, stepping your left foot forward. Rotate your torso, reaching your left arm upward. Breathe deeply, allowing your upper body to release tension. One final twist here before we transition to standing. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, or get in a kneeling position. Interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your arms slightly while pressing your chest forward. Feel the stretch across your shoulders and chest. Hold here, taking slow, deep breaths. With each exhale, let your shoulders relax and your chest expand. If you'd like to deepen the stretch, hinge slightly forward at the hips, letting gravity open up your shoulders even more. One last deep breath, feeling the openness to your chest and upper body. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've grounded your body, strengthened your core, and opened up space for movement. Are you ready to keep going? Well, check out this video that I picked out specially for you. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.